Kaninyong tanan, and welcome to this momentous occasion. First of all, congratulations everyone sa mga estudyante. I know these words are often said, but allow me to say them with genuine pride and gratitude. You have made it. You have braved the deadlines, the sleepless nights, the group works, problem sets and assignments, many of which you carried alone, and today you are finally here. So my sincere congratulations to all of you. At pakisabi na rin po sa inyong mga katabi, congratulations Brad, Sis, classmates, batchmates. Today marks the beginning of our 71st commencement exercises of Central Mindanao University. Considering the large number of CMU graduates class 2025 and the limited capacity of our University Convention Center, the ceremony has been divided into 4 clusters. This morning, we are honored to present the first cluster of graduates, particularly from the College of Agriculture and the College of Forestry and Environmental Science. This year, we are especially proud that CMU has produced a total of 2,940 candidates for graduation, almost 3,000. 1,027 of these will graduate with honor, Latin honor. That is roughly 35% of the candidates for graduation. 3 of you will be receiving the highest award, the summa cum laude. One of these is our very own student regent, the president of our Supreme Student Council, Mr. Ken Caballes. Another one, the only lady among the 3 is from the College of Business and Management, and another one comes from the College of Arts and Sciences, where our SSC president also comes. He is Mr. Jamil Pangpuga in the BS Mathematics program. Dear candidates, this is it. Are you excited? Are you excited to receive your diplomas? For the first time, we will be distributing their diplomas. Are you excited to receive your transcript of records? So this is it. You are about to savor the academic success that is the fruit of your hard work, discipline, and intelligence. This is it. This is a proud moment, not only for yourselves, but also for your parents, guardians, your families, as well as for your mentors, and most of all, for the entire CMU community. Tama? Kaya para sa ating mga magulang at mga guro, bigyan natin sila ng pinakamalakas na palakpak. For this morning's major event, we are privileged to welcome a guest speaker who exemplifies the essence of excellence and public service. Before serving as the representative